We are with Manoj Sakpal of Square Automation, which is based out of Pune, and they are making in India.
Yes.
So, can you just tell me about this product, what you have displayed here?
This product is called Servo Press. These are mainly for the tabletop application, like the presses. If you have seen on the websites and things, those are the power presses, the pneumatics press, and hydraulic press. This is a compact press where you can have the small components like the electronic components or maybe some cosmetic components. They can be pressed with the precise manner, and there is very less power consumption. Here you don't have to use the pneumatics or maybe hydraulics for this type of systems. So this is very compact and precise kind of things.
And most of the time, seeing this product, aesthetics, very nice aesthetics, we are very proud to see that, we are having a product like this, made in India product with the kind of aesthetics.
Yes.
So, it's more like an import substitute product. How you developed this? What is the story behind producing this product?
See, basically our company started in 2010. There onwards we are doing some imports and using the integration over here. Over the time of period, what we have think, like most of the cases, the people, those are importing, they mainly require the service and support. So on the basis of that, we have started manufacturing our own products. Our own products this is the one is of that. This is called the Servo Press. Other than that, we have another product called Servo Cylinders, which are totally made by us. So it is going to be a substitute for importing any products we are importing from the outside. So this is the case study of that.
Entrepreneurs like Manoj Sakpal needs to be encouraged, and they are going to take Make in India to the globe to complete the dream of our Prime Minister Modi. Thank you very much for sharing your valuable time, and I wish you all the very best for Square Automation.
Thank you.